Hey, Greeking Out fans and anybody else who happens to be digitally wandering by. I'm Kenny Curtis. I'm the host of the podcast called Greeking Out from National Geographic Kids, and I'm really excited to be bringing you our very first ever YouTube Kids playlist where we will be Greeking out all about animals. You're going to see some incredible creatures, everything from pets to birds of prey to horses to spiders. There's a lot to learn and a lot of cute animals to see, but and this is important. You see, it's not just going to be about any one animal. You might know that I host the podcast with this oracle, the oracle of Wi-Fi, and the oracle's kind of fixated on one particular animal. I'm not going to say what it is, but it rhymes with cake. Yeah, okay. And the oracle would probably prefer that all of these videos be about cakes, but there are a lot of amazing animals in the world, and we want to learn all about them too, right? Okay, so you can learn all about a ton of amazing animals on our Greeking Out All About Animals playlist. It's available on YouTube and YouTube Kids. And let's just keep the cake thing between us. Actually, who am I kidding? The Oracle of Wi-Fi probably already knows about this. Can we get some snake video in here? Can we? Okay, yeah, there you go. Okay, right. Exactly, yeah. All right, so Greeking Out All About Animals, available now on YouTube and YouTube Kids. See what I did there? Yeah, snakes.